Okay, I know it's a little dark, but that's the purpose, is to start with it being in the dark so you can see all the lighting. And this is Saturday night, and then tomorrow morning I'll roll the kayak out onto the trailer, clean it up because it's filthy after a winter of sitting plus all the work I've done on it. But I wanted to capture all the lighting that I've installed. What you see here right now are the switch for USB ports to power the GoPro. In fact, I'm plugged into it. Yeah, and if I flip the switch, it also kills it kills the GoPro. What a ding dong. I'm tired. All right, so here comes the nav light circuit. This is circuit number 1. So you can see lights on the end, on the stern, and then we go up to the bow. You can see them reflecting off the garage door. Now here comes interior lights number 1. And because I got a bunch of junk still laying in here. Yeah. And then circuit number 2. Ooh. And then circuit number 3. And we're adding more light. And then circuit number 4. So this is the interior of the kayak. Fish finder, you see right there in the middle of the screen, is wired to all this as well. It has its own off switch, so it's not set up on this console here. I'll demonstrate the trolling motor and the steering tomorrow in the daylight. But that's the lighting. Very happy with that. And yeah, that is a skeleton skull over there. He seems to like to make his appearances. This is from the other side. The other thing I wanted to show you is the control box, which is right there. And every circuit has a light on it, so in the dark, you know if they're on or not. But you would know that anyways because the lights come on. That's it.